Hello, my name is Brandon Evans for Brandon's Elevators, Hotel Tours, Rides, and more. And today, I got the best gift I could wish for. My own elevator panel. And I would like to thank these people for completing my panel. Jasen from Elevator Service Company, Innovation Industries, and C.E Electronics. Thank you very much. Alright, so with that out of the way, let's get started. 3, 2, oh. To start, you need to get your, the 512 key, stick it in, and turn it to the left to run. You get this D that comes up, and then it goes blank for a few seconds, or maybe a minute, I don't know. And, well, the alarm works right now. And it lights up.
First floor.
There it goes. Now we're going to go up to the second floor.
Going up. Please stand clear of the closing doors.
Yep, it's a talking one. Better than everyone else's.
Second floor.
Well, maybe not, but it's pretty good. Alright, let's go back down to 1.
Going down. Please stand clear of the closing doors. First floor.
Alright, we're going to try out independent service, and to all the YouTubers out there, don't use these elevator keys unless it's your own panel, or you have permission by the building owner, or if you are the building owner. Only allowed uses for elevator keys.
This elevator is on independent service.
This is my panel. It ain't illegal for me to do it because it's my own panel. All right, here we go back up to 2.
Going up. Please stand clear of the closing doors. This elevator is on independent service. Second floor.
All right, back down to 1.
Going down. Please stand clear of the closing doors. This elevator is on independent service. First floor.
Here we go. All right, we're gonna get out of independent service.
Going up.
Go up one more
Please
time.
stand clear of the closing doors. Second floor.
All right, we're gonna turn on inspection.
This car is now on inspection service.
Completely disabled. Can't touch any of the floor buttons. These don't work, but this works. And of course, the stop switch and other ones. So, all right, we're gonna get out of inspection mode and go into fire service or fire return.
This elevator is now in fire return. When the doors open, please exit the building in a safe and orderly manner. First floor.
Well, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.